Okay, now that your pendulum clock is much improved, it's time to go public with it and gather feedback and responses out in the world. So, find a way to mount your clock onto a stand like this one, and then haul it out into the world somewhere public, high traffic. I'm talking greater than 200 people are going to pass by this in a day. So choose a spot where that will happen. Then install it and stand by it and ensure that at least 5 people find their way to this QR code and fill out the feedback form. If we're not actively driving feedback about our work, then we really don't know how it's being experienced. We have to gather feedback in some way. We might love the awesome pink, red, blue, and gold color scheme, but if nobody else ever notices or cares or appreciates it, perhaps the love of that feature is misplaced. Take note of how the journey to your site and the installation itself is going to stress your design in ways that it won't experience back in the lab. Involve others in the installation because they're going to do it differently than you would. There are valuable insights as you notice these differences. And then let it be for 24 hours in the site, even though it will suffer some risk by being left alone out in the world. Accept the risk, even if it is burned to the ground by obnoxious people. We have the capacity to print and assemble another. And then pat yourself on the back. It is quite a journey to get a prototype out into the world. And having completed it, let it all go. Bring the stand back to the makerspace, disassemble the mechanism, let go of the improvements upon improvements that you never got around to making, and try to apply all those concepts to your next project.